There are remains of paper with some old German writing on it. Even more of it in the inside of the helmet, something the soldiers would have done back then to make it a better fit for the head. The paper definitely will fall apart further, so I'll make sure to document what's written on there. Same goes for the leather. Take it home with me and see if I can find any name on it. Something made out of aluminum. What is that? It is a so-called German Butterdose. It's an official German military container for butter. No chance I'll be able to open it right away. To the end of the video we'll definitely take a peek inside of it, because sometimes soldiers wouldn't use it for butter but for hiding their awards. Some sort of a leather strap. This is a second German drinking canteen, still with a buckle on it, which you would clip to your belt. Look at all the soil heap here. Definitely have to recheck it all with my metal detector. Some more objects here. There we have another STG-44 magazine. This is a third German drinking canteen. Here is the lid made out of Bakelite. Now we do have a German mess tin. It's already starting to get late in the afternoon and I started to investigate this huge pile of soil heap, and the first decent signal turns out to be something very nice. We definitely have a wound patch in black. Still very encrusted with sand, but these tend to clean up very nicely, and as always you get better pictures at the end. Oh, it's the handle to a German razor. Very high quality, solid brass. The missing hook, which goes into the inside of the aluminum belt buckle, which I found earlier. Another signal here in the soil heap. Definitely something the soldiers were using in the last days of the war. Been digging a bit further into the side of this trench. Almost reached 1.5 meters by now. And we have another suspicious object here. That might be a third steel helmet. The chin strap, and even more signals. Dug a bit further in this direction. There we have another German steel helmet. And this one even has some remains of the color. Most of the pieces made out of aluminum are unfortunately in very bad condition. But let's see if we can manage to gather some information. We have a name. V. Arnold. Definitely the soldier's name who once owned this mess tin here. Now the hole is refilled. To sum it all up, we have exactly 4 positions. Number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4, which is an exact match to the 4 German steel helmets I found earlier. Scattered around in this general area were around 10 Soviet shell casings for the pistol and for the submachine gun. And finally, here is the location of the former trench where I found all of the stuff I've shown you within this video. Considering the condition steel buckles usually come out of the ground in, I was pleasantly surprised by this SS buckle. The Wehrmacht buckle, however, is unusually heavily corroded, while the wound badge is pretty much in the condition I would have expected. Let's open the butter dish. It's in a very bad condition. Some engraving on the lid of the butter dish, PK 3rd Comp, which is an abbreviation for 3rd Company. And the moment of truth.